Our Healing Qigong retreat is designed to change your structure. There's 3 categories. The first category is non-combative, the second is medicinal, and the third is spiritual. In a spiritual sense, we're connecting deeply to nature, seeing that I am nature and nature is me, that there is no separation or difference. Medicinal is moving energy through the body, through the meridians, to circulate better blood flow into our organs. And non-combative is a form of martial arts that we don't use to fight another, but use that energy to strengthen ourselves. Most people are functionally diagnosed, which means that there's some kind of misalignment in their tissue, muscle, or bones. This misalignment creates an imbalance in their actual structure, not in just their physical structure, but in their body, their mind, and their spirit. A highlight from the Healing Qigong retreat would be our nature walk to the 120 steps. The 120 steps provides a deep time for self-reflection. Each step represents an age that you lived this far in your life. As you walk up with deep awareness of feeling the bottoms of your feet, you have the ability to truly let go of what no longer serves you, leaving behind a memory or an emotion or a thought that once caused you a lot of obstacles, a lot of troubled, worried emotions. This is a time and a place where you can truly become free from all of your limiting beliefs and bring in new positive memories. Fill yourself with everything that you desire, that you deserve.